What do you think about Mike Tyson, Roy Jones Jr., bro?
Incredible.
Question number 1, Rahul. Are you ready?
Incredible.
Everyone, the whole world, whether you like boxing, whether you don't like boxing, everyone's a fan of Mike Tyson. Everybody knows Mike Tyson.
Bro, he's everyone's favorite.
Everyone has seen his YouTube videos.
Everyone's favorite.
But today, our generation is got the opportunity to see a live Mike Tyson
We've never
fight.
seen Mike Tyson live, Dave, but we speak about him like we've seen him live.
So that's I'm
fucking-
excited for that.
Bro, it's a God. God is gifting it.
Yes.
This fight is like, okay, guys, I fucked you guys up in 2020. I hit you guys with COVID. I hit you guys with recession. I hit you guys with a lot of shit. Mike Tyson is coming back. You know?
And the best part about it is it's not a chana chor garam fight, bro. It's a legit
Actual fight.
Roy Jones Jr., bro. The man's a legend. The man's an artist. You understand? Pure boxer, bro. It's a crazy bout.
Crazy fight.
8 rounds. It's not some 3
So
round.
it's an actual fight, are they?
It's not some 3 round friendly. I'm just excited firstly that our generation is going to get to see a live Mike Tyson fight.
Bro, and a live Mike Tyson at 59? Is he 59? 54. A 54-year-old Mike Tyson coming out of retirement.
And Roy is... Dude, Mr. Roy is 51.
I wish Muhammad Ali came out of retirement, to fight. But
Can you imagine?
But that's the closest.
Bro, Mike Tyson was so big during his era that I remember my father, who does not know anything about boxing, doesn't care about boxing. He and his friends would watch Mike Tyson fights like they were fans.
I'll be honest with you. I know everything about Mike Tyson. I've done my research about Mike Tyson, but I don't know much about Roy Jones Jr. Okay? I know everything about Mike Tyson. I don't know much about Roy Jones Jr. I know that he's a top fighter and he's currently a trainer and his punches are fucking wild.
Okay, so my question, who do you think is going to win the fight?
According to me, bro, I have to root for Mike Tyson, bro. Because I've seen his videos. He's looking like an animal. The guy who's holding his pads, I feel bad for him. You know?
True
And come on, man. Come on. Even though Roy Jones Jr. is great and he might win, I'm always going to go for Mike Tyson because we relate to him, bro.
Yeah, true that. But I'll tell you
it's
something.
so crazy that we've not even seen him.
Yeah.
Fight.
Of course, his videos are crazy because he's a crazy character. Roy Jones Jr. is not an eccentric, crazy animal like Mike Tyson. But I'll tell you one thing, bro. He is a boxer. He's an artist.
Of course,
you
bro.
understand?
He's going up
he
against
knows
Mike.
the art of boxing. His last fight was in 2018.
Oh, what? What's his age?
He's 51.
Oh, so he fought Reese. Oh,
Bro, he's too good.
So this is where it changes.
Bro, his style of boxing is precision, defense. You know, the artistic approach to fighting. And obviously,
Mike will go in for the first round kill.
Mike Tyson is fun because he goes in. You know, he goes in to just murder.
Correct.
But Roy Jones Jr. is an artist. He plays around, dances around the ring. You know, sees the opponent, waits for the counter.
So are you saying that? Are you saying?
I'm not gonna.
Are you saying that if Roy Jones Jr. takes it
My prediction.
to the 6th or 7th round, will be his?
My prediction: if Mike Tyson doesn't end it in the first 2 rounds or the first 3 rounds, Roy Jones is winning the fight by decision because Mike Tyson won't have the gas.
And now of course we know about the Tyson Ranch.
Man's a smoker, bro. He smokes $20,000 worth of weed a month.
Oh my god.
That does something to your lungs, you know. And the undercard is Jake Paul versus Nate
Robinson, bro.
Yeah.
So for that, I'm rooting for Nate Robinson, of course.
Listen. My prediction for the Jake Paul fight. Listen to me. After I saw...
Come. Bro, I'm Nate, bro. You want to put money on this, bro? You want to put money, bro? 20 rupees?
No, you get a bottle. Nate Robinson is losing by knockout, first or second round.
Nate Robinson by decision. I didn't know. Bro, I was thinking, fuck, should I just say Nate Robinson by knockout and just predict a specific round, or should I play it safe?
Okay, Jake Paul.
No, I'm just saying Nate Robinson's winning. I don't give a shit what round he's winning or whether he's getting knocked out.
Robinson, Jake Paul cannot be by decision. I challenge.
Yeah, I know that. I take that back, but I'm just saying Nate Robinson is winning.
Okay. Another big fight, bro. Who you also like.
Dude,
okay.
that's the fight I'm actually...
Yeah.
That's my number one
Even
fight.
I'm more excited for this one.
What a fight.
September
What
UFC.
a fight. Goosebumps.
Israel Adesanya versus the Eraser Paulo Costa.
Oh my god.
Hit me with your prediction.
Bro, hit you with my prediction. Confused. That fight is going to be phenomenal.
So I'm saying Israel in the second round. By counter knockout.
You know what, bro? I love Israel so much, but deep down I know Costa's gonna win.
So make it, bro. The fuck's wrong with you? Make a decision. So are you saying Paul?
Shit, bro. Shit, I can't say Paul, bro. I can't. I want to say Paulo, but I can't.
No, just say it. So are you saying Paul?
I'm saying Paul, bro.
Then it has to be by knockout.
Knockout. Paulo
TKO.
knockout, bro.
Which round?
First round.
First round.
Because I know Devang. I know if Israel takes him to the second, third round, no ways.
I'm saying Israel.
He's too big. He's too big.
I'm saying TKO Israel second round.
I'm saying Paulo first.
Okay. Another big fight.
Bro, it's fight season, huh?
Are you ready?
It's fight season.
Bro, the champ
Is back.
Khabib
Is back.
versus Justin Gaethje. Gaethje.
But knowing Khabib, no chance. His opponent stands
Khabib.
no chance. No chance.
Which round?
First round.
I'm saying third or fourth round.
First round knockout, I'm saying.
I'm saying third or fourth round.
And straight he's going to look up to the
Submission.
sky, bro.
Submission, third or fourth round. I'm saying. I feel. Because Justin is very strong, bro. He's
Yeah,
taken.
he's strong.
In his last fight, he took a lot of punches.
He's strong. He's strong.
And he came back.
Actually, I'll take my decision back because I know Khabib's going to fight on the floor and wrestle.
Yeah.
And so I would take it. Yeah, I would go with the same prediction as you.
Submission.
I would go with the same prediction as you.
Okay, so third or fourth?
Third or fourth.
Submission. Another very good fight, bro, which is just coming up in August. Stipe Miocic, the heavyweight champ,
Correct.
versus the legend
Yo.
Daniel Cormier.
DC, baby.
And before you say anything, I want DC to win. And I predict Daniel Cormier in the fourth round.
Fourth round?
TKO.
TKO.
Yeah, because Stipe is very strong. Obviously,
Yeah, that guy can take punches.
it's a great fight because it's a trilogy. So the first two fights, the first fight DC won first round knockout, Stipe second fight won third round or fourth round knockout. So it's both fights are knockout fights. So
Correct.
this is a perfect, like the most beautiful trilogy. Who do you want?
Okay, so it's 1-1, right?
Yeah.
Stipe won, DC
Yeah.
won, right? I think DC will win and go out. He'll retire.
Yeah, but you're saying DC is winning.
DC.
Okay. So.
Because I saw the fight and I was like, dude, DC is... But then again, Stipe is like an animal, man. He's like another Paulo Costa. He's just too...
But why are you confused?
Confused, bro. I'm telling you, I'm confused, bro. I don't know what's happening.
Make a decision. Let's move on. Come on.
Fuck.
Pick one, bro.
Stipe.
Stipe. Okay, Stipe. He's also a legend, bro. I'll tell you
Stipe,
that.
you know.
So it's
Because
not
I think the
it's
pressure,
not a bad choice.
I think the pressure is on DC, bro,
Them-
not Stipe.
1000%
That's
the
why.
pressure's on DC for
That's why.
sure.
It's his last fight, so the pressure is on him. So I just don't know. And
100%.
Stipe is just gonna fight, man.
Stipe's whooped Francis Ngannou, so
Bro, Ngannou.
there's no pressure on Stipe.
My favorite
Yeah.
heavyweight, Ngannou.